Alright, today I got a old router. It's NetGear, and it is a RangeMax. Never opened one of these up before, so I'm anxious to see what's inside. I'm hoping it's not going to be too big a deal. Only a couple screws holding it together. I do not know if it works. It's old and I found it outside, so I'm going to assume it's probably no good. Obviously what I'm looking for is going to be some sort of board, maybe some gold. There we go. A couple whacks. Okay, well, plastic's done, and I see gold. Couple more screws here. He's got, of course, the port for the Ethernet. There's about 5 of those. I think look like those had gold pins on them. And this is one of those jobs that hopefully, you know, there's some plastic in there to recycle, but so there's a little bit of trash, but for the most part it really should be pretty simple to take apart. That's the kind I like. Okay. Got another little board right here. Just got tabs that you pull down. Okay. Well, that was it. Trash, 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 and we got this board. Got gold pins here on the end. Got some gold here and here and here. Not a whole lot on that board, but a little. And then of course, there's the big board. Oh, that's gold. Gold. Got more on the front. There's our Ethernet ports. There they are. You can see the gold pins there across the top. So we'll be able to pull those out. Little switch. Maybe silver contacts in there. I don't know what this is. Let's see if we can pull it up real quick without doing too much damage. Looks like a little piece of aluminum or stainless or something. Get out of there, cat. There we go. I'm trying to open it kind of careful here just in case there's something good in there. I don't want to get it messed up. The other thing I'll do sometimes is when I'm cracking these open to see what's underneath them, if it's something I don't know, I'll start peeling it back like that so that I can see. And I don't think there's anything. I don't think there's anything under there that I'm going to want to keep. So just leave that on. It helps add to the weight a little bit if I sell it like this. I'll recover that, those pins, and take this little ribbon wire off. And other than that, hardly any work for a couple nice boards. So please like, subscribe, comment, and all that cool stuff. love to hear some feedback, and like always, happy scrapping.